Someone asked me the other day, how do you change wing mirrors on a Mercedes C-Class Coupe? Well, today I'm installing Mercedes C-Class Coupe 2013 plate electric mirrors from the standard. So first of all, let's take it apart, grab hold of the top, get a wiggle, put it apart. Sounds like the clip's going to break, but nothing actually breaks. Put it down. That releases your tweeter. Grab hold of the foam, pull it forward, lift it out. Now, to make life really easy, grab hold of your plate with one hand. Sorry, let me get a view better. Grab by the phone, put your hand there, pull all the way down and out. Grab yourself something like a Torx or a screwdriver, whatever, just something just to get under the clip. What you're going to look for is the black switch here, the black connector on the door control module. Push that in, as so. Get two fingers, and pull. Release really easy. Now to get these off, just pull it up, sorry about the front, put it up on the bike axle. Give it a pull, lift it up, and lift it out. We've got the custom over somewhere. There we go, she's out. Look at that. Easy peasy. We're all doing it in the video. One video, done. I always start out by loosening every bolt, give them a quick twist. All standard bolts will be a Torx, what was this one? I think it was a Torx 25. No, it's a Torx 27. Right, so they're all Torx 27 from standard. Give it a twist. Go well. A few more turns. You could probably do each wing mirror in about 5 minutes to get them all. It's a lovely day out today. Once these are all removed, right, for the last one, what you do is just support the mirror. As you support the mirror will lift up. Now, I'm going to have to try and do this wild on the camera. Take this one out, this last one. Once you got the last one out, grab hold of the mirror, give it a bit of a tug up, and wiggle. And once you do that, it'll lift up like this, and it'll pull away from the seat. And you pull that through. There you go. That's how you remove it. Now, because I'm so nice, I'm going to actually show you how to put one back in. And we're going to show you which one the electric style plugs in. And there's one I did earlier. This one is going to need a bit of a case swap eventually. It's just, for now, it'll do. I'll do a rebuild on video on this because this one's got a chip in it in the corner. But other than that, everything's fine on it. Right, let's get back around here. What you're going to do is guide your gun through. Look at that, did it with one hand. So easy. Slot it under. Line everything back up. Get a wiggle. Now, while you're getting a wiggle, don't force it. What you want to do is make sure this wire is pulling through correctly. Give it a little bit of a pull if you have to. Right, you pulled it through, guys. All you need to do now is put the screws in. There we go. Tighten them up one by one. There's no funny business, everything goes in as it should. A lot of people are surprised how easy these cars are to mod. Now, to me, I do a lot of modding on a lot of different vehicles, and to be honest with you, as long as you know what you're doing and know what you're looking at, Mercedes is probably one of the easiest cars to mod. But yeah, again, a lot of people don't like to share how it's done. So what I will be doing later on is I'll be doing a little video. If you haven't got these already coded, I'll show you how to code them. Now, I've got several different ways to do it. I'll show you how to do it with top dom, and then I'll show you the other ways that you can be done using other software. The best one is Bedemir. You haven't got to use anything special or anything like that. It'll just go straight on and straight in. Oh, there we go. Remember guys, when you've pulled it through, put your clip back on. You might be asking why, because unless you want to sit there listening to rattles every single day, you may just do them right and do it how Mercedes expects you to do it. Personally, these doors are great when you've soundproofed them, which I will be doing a little video on. So keep in touch, keep saying hello, subscribe, more videos will be coming. Like this, like that, it's done. Everything's on, that's on there. Remember guys, like, just grab hold of the bottom, slide it under, push it in, push to the side, you'll feel it clip. There we go, locked in, and push to the side, clip, and clip again. Satisfying. Done. She's back together like nothing ever happened. Now your connectors. Grab hold of your black one, go into your control module, give it a plug, plug the other in. You see, no messing about, everything fits. Grab hold of your corner section, as you see it slots, and it pulls out. So that's why we pulled it away from the door earlier. Sometimes there can be a little bit of a pain. All you have to do is basically get something nice and short and thin underneath this section here, just about round the middle, not pushing too much on any of the actual interior, and just lift it out and it will clip out. There you go, look, there's that all placed in. Clip the clips, 1, 2, done. And that is what we call a successfully installed mirror in a Mercedes Coupe. Let's see if she works. Look at that. Beautiful. And unlock. And then out she goes.